What's up, family? Tanya here. I just made it back from Home Depot. It's March 1st. They already have their starts out. They already have a sale going on. These are some perennials. They're $4, and these are they need full sun, and so they're like in purple and pink. Oh, let me see if I can pronounce it. The Lithodium. Life, I can't even read it. I can't I can't get to that tag. And okay, so this one is a creeping phyllox. So I got some of those. Pansies are 98 cents per container. It says 198. If they have 198 on there, they're 98 cents until like March 15th or something like that. So I have them in orange, yellow, violet, and purple. 2, 4, 6. And I have some over here. So I just got them home. So what I do, I let them hang out outside. I water them, and then they're going to be out here probably a week. We have a storm coming, like Wednesday, next Wednesday. So we have about 5 days of good 65-degree weather. And then we're going to get storms. So I like my plants to get that rainwater. So I'm going to keep everything out here for about a week. And here are some lettuce seeds that I germinated. These are about maybe a week old. I got some sprouts. I just did these 3 days ago. So you see a few sprouts coming up there. And then I have more romaine lettuce right here, and a salad blend here. And here's some more starts here. These are all romaine. So I'm getting a little germination there. And so today at Home Depot, they had their lettuces out. So we have our romaine right here. And I water them, and I put them in this little container here. So I'm going to bottom water them. Just let them sit in that water for a couple of days, a couple of hours. This is the Butter Crunch. Then we have romaine. Oh, and each, you get 6 for $5.98. Get the 6-pack, so that's kind of, $1 per plant. So I got 6, 12 Butter Crunch, 12 romaine. Aren't these look cute? You can already eat these as baby lettuce, but I'm gonna let them grow up. Let's see, what are these? More lettuce, red leaf lettuce, red sales. And each 6-pack is $5.98. Let's get back. And here's some more lettuce. A lettuce blend that I put in. Seeds I put in here. They haven't germinated yet. But I just got some seed starting mix from, I can't think of that, from Miracle-Gro, and it's all like cocoa core and a little vermiculite in there. And so I'm testing it out, and it just seems to be a little slower to me than when I just put a regular Miracle-Gro potting mix. It's like my germination just kind of just explodes. So that other stuff, I don't know. I'm checking it out. Like these, all of these germinated in 3 days. Okay, and then over here, show you what we got going on over here. I'm gonna get my collard greens. So here's some little baby collard greens. And then here's some Chinese cabbage, Napa style. Napa cabbages. So with my lettuce and cabbages, these are cool weather crops, so that'll, you know, be our spring harvest. Got lettuce here, got our little pansies here, our perennials there, and then I'm gonna start my like cucumber and tomato seeds and peppers pretty soon. Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick check-in and let you guys know what's going on in March 2025. We're getting it going. Oh, and then also there's a 25. Hang on just a minute. Okay, fam, so Miracle-Gro has some potting mix for at Home Depot. You can get 2 for $16. So there's 8. They're $8 per bag. And this is a 25 dry quart bag. All right, so that's all I got today. You know, I like to keep soil on hand and, to rejuvenate my pots and everything and my flower beds. And they also have, if you're doing in-ground, if you need to, freshen up your flower beds outside, you can get 3 bags of potting soil for like 3 for $10. So just check Home Depot out if you're still shopping there. I checked Lowe's first. Lowe's, they haven't gotten their stuff together yet, so I need to move. For 1st of March and stuff, I like to get it going. So, but when Lowe's has their spring fling, like in April, then that's like you can top everything off. I can finalize most of my planting or anything else I need. Okay. And then don't forget to get some of that craft paper to line your car to protect your car, because I did have a couple of leaks, but the paper caught it. So, got to make it easy on ourselves. Okay, guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. So this is what's going on at Posh Plants and Garden. All right. That's the name of my garden, Posh Plants and Garden. So these just came home, so I'm gonna give them some water. Keep it moving. It's a nice breezy day, overcast. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate your support. So if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. We will thrive in 25. All right. See you in my next video. If you have any questions, comments, please put them down in the comments section. All right. Appreciate your support, guys. Bye. Bye, tastemakers. It's hard to get water in these cabbages. These Napa